Hope you all are working very well. And today I want to discuss about FCM and how FCM is working in iOS applications. And most of the applications is need to be add the notifications using FCM. All right. So this is very important topic for you all guys. So keep patience and see the end of the video and let's see the demo what exactly is doing for the FCM. And you can see this is my demo, and I'm going to my cloud messaging, and I have this ones, right? And you can see exactly here, right? This is my cloud messaging is here, right? And I just need to be sent here, and okay, just see here. I just need to be sent, and okay, just it always to be front, right? And I have a message. Okay, what is going on, man? With few clip and float on top. Okay, let's. I have a message. This is hello, right? Hello 5, right? And this is a notification. Easy to shift, right? Easy to shift. Now to the next, and I have an bundle ID which I have registered here with into the Firebase Cloud, right, into the console of Firebase, right. You always need to be add the a unique ID which is known as the bundle ID for your applications. And now go to the review, and it's publish, right. You can see exactly what the going on. Okay, just hello 5, hell 5, sorry, hell 5 is coming, right. Let's see. This is the hell 5 of notification, and easy to shift is here, right. All right, how I have done this, let's step by step what I have done, right, for getting the notifications. First of all, you just go to your development account, and I have already created here for a unique bundle ID, and that's name is this, right, with this bundle ID. And if you don't have any bundle ID for push notifications, you just add to click here and create a push notification, create a bundle ID, and go to the certificate here, right. And let's see, it's the identifier, right. Go to the identifier here and create a bundle ID. I have already the bundle ID is secure. This is the my bundle ID is here, right. I have click here, right. I have created, then I have click it. Let's go back here. What is exactly this is the bundle ID. Let's back to the what I have done here. I have done add the push notification is here, and you can see let's remove this. You can see here the one file has certificate is here, and if you don't have add the certificate, you can click edit, edit options, right. And this it will show you some certificate is here, so development SSL certificate and production SSL certificate. If you are creating a certificate, just click it. I have clicked it, but it's need to the CSR file. Okay, just you all know how to CSR file will be created. If you don't know, let's how will be create is here, right. Already you can see what is exactly. You go just the keychain in your in your system, and with the keychain, and select the request from a certificate, right. And if you have create these ones, right, let's what will happens, just keychain is here, right. And I have added these ones, right, keychains, sorry for let's cancel it, and let's keychain and certificate with request, right. You can see these ones, right, these ones. And you have to add your email ID when you want to save, right, what you have on your if you want to save on your disk, and according to your development certificate, development site which has add your email ID, that would be the same for the keychain, right? So I hope you understand these things. After this, then go to your bundle ID, go to your certificate, right? Go back to into your certificate site, right? And now I have I have added the CSR file on the identifier. Now create your certificate with that identifiers, right? And that is already add with the certificate, right? Secure is here, security is here, and if you don't have, you can create and download it. If you download it, and you can click the double click, and that certificate will be add onto your systems here, right? That I have add the FCM dev, right? That certificate is, this is APS development certificate. Now after that, you just need to be create a provisional file as well with with that identifier. This is the profile is here. You can see what the FCM dev, right? I have created the FCM dev, right? And now after these completions, now get back to your applications and put your bundle ID is here, and what you have bundle ID you have, right? This you can put here, right? Now go, after this completions, go to your console of Firebase, and I just go back into the Firebase here, right? I have an account for the Firebase, right? I just click here, I just click here. Now to the projects setting, and what I have the demo FCM is here. You can see demo FCM I have created. If you did not create any project, you can just go into your whole project, see all projects is here. I can see the whole projects already is here. So you can add your project if you want, you can add here, and what you have, what you want to add, you just need to be a unique name with that project, which is not created already in your projects, right? And get back, I have these ones, right? Demo FCM has created with the iOS, right? Let's what I have here, and I have this bundle ID. Okay, just need to be add the things. I have this one project, and let's go to all, see all projects and add a projects name is for example I have demo FCM2, right? And create it. Okay, now continue is here, right? Select create new project. Oh, I don't need to be an article, right? Okay, wait, FCM demo 2, right? Continue, enable. Okay, it's enable. Select default Firebase, create, right? You just need to be complete your process is here, creating your project. This will create the project, which is the name of demo FCM2, right? So according to this, and I have already created the FCM demo. You can see what I have here. Okay, continue. Let's it take time, few seconds, right? Go to the continue is here. I have, you can see here FCM demo T2 is here. If you can select these ones also. And what you have a bundle ID, I have this bundle ID which I have created with the certificate, right? Just back to the, let's, okay, I forget one more thing, and when you have created the certificate, you can just add your what we have. I have a keychains, and which if you have created the push notification certificate, then if you are clicking double one, right, double, if you click this one into the double, then this will show on your development push iOS, right? Now let's back to the this ones, right? Bundle ID. I have this bundle ID. It is the optional. This is also optional. No need to be add. Okay, you can just need to be add this one. Google, download the Google Info services. Okay, Google Info services is here, right? And now get back to the Google Info service and just copy and paste on your project. I have already done. Okay, let's remove that. Go to this one. FCM demo is already created is here, and I have download Google services info. Just copy, just drag and drop on your main file, right? All right, back to this. Let's what I have done. I have created this ones is the similar to the second one which I have here. See all projects. Go to the demo. Go demo FCM. I have this is the similar that for on that, right? Let's back to on your project setting. This project setting is here, right? And project setting, that is the similar for which I have previous done, right? And this is the project setting. You just go to the project setting, right? And if you don't have any iOS app in your projects, so you can remove this one. You can also remove this ones. You can add the new bundle, right? With this add app, add the new app, and just go into this, right? Okay, just let's remove it, and I just need to be add once again. Add what I have the bundle ID was the same, right? The secure option is here. Let's click is go the next, and just copy and paste this pod file is right in your in your pod file, right? How to create a pod file? You just actually I have add this one, right? And go to your files. I have this file one, right? What I have this ones, right? Okay, just wait. I have this one, right? I just right click and go to the finder and new, just you can see what I have this ones, right? And create a pod file. You can create a pod file from this, right? This is very easy to create, like pod init, right? Then open it, open pod file. If you this command will use for the opening your pod file, and I have added this file to be installed on your projects. Let's I have done this, right? And you just need to be installed these files also, all right? And get back to your okay, just open this, right? And copy these ones, and let's back to the app delegate method and copy and paste. Let's copy and paste, right? I have a Firebase configure. Let's command it. I just need to be add only these ones, right? Okay, what I have next? I have these ones, right? Just close is next, and this will close. Configure has completed, right? Let's back to them. These are the very simple process. You need to be understand everything, all right? And let's I have done this with this bundle ID. Okay, let's go to let's back. I I have done the several every process from developer account as well as the Firebase consoles. Now back to the code. What I have needs. I have installed everything, right? The port has installed. Now go to your project for app delegate. Let's import the Firebase user notifications as well as Firebase messaging, right? If you have done, now uh, you have to be registered for your remote notifications, right? And before that you should request, right? Let's back to this. Let's you just need to be request for authorizations. If you have done this permissions, right? This is for the request authorizations, right? And let's I have done this for request authorizations, and if you are using these methods, so you and user notification delegate will be added on your files. So let's back. What I have done is here, like this this push notification is the permissions for adding UN user notifications. That's why I have added this file, and this will this add for the alert badge and sound as well, right? Let's back to the another permissions which has the push notification register. I have two things. This is the did fail register for remote notification with error. If there is an error, this method will be called. If there is a successful registration with the tokens, right, then the FCM token will be added into the your files, right? Now get back to the this ones. Actually I have needed with the user notification center delegate. This will show the notification will call from the FCM, because this will present you onto your screens, right? And you don't forget the alert with the completion handler onto your scan. If you are going to comment these ones, right, if you are not going to call, the alert will not call you on your scans. So it's very important to be used for the notification. And what the next, if you are going to receive your notification when you are pushing, right? Let's what I have here, right? I have these ones, right? And you can see I have a notification here, and hell 5 easy to shift. If you have clicked this ones, right, if you just need to click this notification, this method will be called. This method will call here, right? This method actually the completions did receive response notification will be called on your application, in your applications. Let's what the message will become for the registrations. And second is this method for the messaging to call from the FCM when the application is registered for the server side. All right, this method also will be called uh, for the registration did refresh for the token, right? If the register has completed, right, when the user is allowing to registrations, right, and did receive remote notification, if there is a call, there is a message to send from the server side, this method is also called from this will call from the servers as well. But in the if you are going to demo, right, this method will be also called for the notification presentations, right, for the presenting any notification on your skins. So these are only process for getting the notification. Let's build, let's say build for the notification. And how will we get for notification from the Firebase? Okay, just you can see here the FCM token has called, and I have this, the token is here. Let's what I have here is FCM tokens, right? What I have this one, FCM token is here. Okay, let's see. The push notification has registered, these functions will call for the FCM token. Firstly, this call and the application register for remote notification will call, because this applications has registrations into the did finish launching, and after configuration this will authorize, all right, this will authorize for the registrations. If you are going to allow that registrations, right, then this function will call. If you are not allowing, right, if you are not going to allow the registrations, and this function will call, you did not allow the registrations, so it will be fail, right? And now if we if you are going to receive the notification, this method will call for your received notifications, and when you are going to click the notification, and this method will call, right? And as well as when the server side has configured with another server this method for messaging call, and this method will call for the refresh of registration, and second is this method will call for the receiving the remote notifications, right? Let's go to your Firebase console. Where is that? This is Firebase console is here, right? let's back to let's back to your, oh, where is that? That is the cloud messaging is here, right? Let's back to the cloud messaging, right? And I have this the cloud messaging notifications, right? I just need to be same message, right? Let's new one, new notification is here. I have clicked the new notifications. Let's what I have, let's hello user. I have hello user, and second is I am easy to see. All right, I don't need to be optional things, right? Let's next, and I have the bundle ID this, right? Let's go to the review, right? And the publishes, and I have going to publish here. Okay, the notification has completed. Okay, let's what I have done here. I have some mistake is here. Okay, let's back to this